Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving into the municipality of Portmore. We are on Mandela Highway and we're going to enter Portmore via this route. You can also enter Portmore via the Portmore Expressway, but that's a toll road, so you have to pay to use that one. So most persons use this route. And right here at this point is where Mandela Highway was renovated, and the renovation ends here at where you access the Portmore terminal. But there are plans to renovate the rest of the road down to the Old Harbour Road roundabout, but that project hasn't started yet. So we just turn left off Mandela Highway and we're heading into Portmore now. So there on the left, we're going to come up to the new Akiwalk village. Okay, you can't see it yet, but we'll point it out when we get to it. So Portmore is a very large municipality. It's so large that it's going to become the 15th parish of Jamaica very soon. You have a lot of communities over here. A lot of communities. Edgewater, Bridgeport. I mean, too many to name. Alright, we're going on to Dyke Road now. So we're heading towards the Portmore Mall, and that basically is one of the more, it's the largest mall in Portmore. So this is Dyke Road. We're now going to turn on to Passage Ford Drive and enter, I guess you could say, the heart of Portmore. Portmore is so large that you have so many areas, but we're going to head towards the Portmore Mall, and that's the largest mall in Portmore. Alright, we're now going on to Dawkins Drive, and this will take us to the mall. So straight ahead now is the Portmore Mall. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.